Hello class 10th. Last time what we have shared as a video to you was Oersted experiment as well as Ampere's swimming rule. In Oersted experiment it was told to you that Oersted himself did not believe in the concept of convergence of electric field and magnetic field. That is, current can produce magnetic field and vice versa. However, later on he himself got an answer for this, and he proved that electric can produce magnetic field. Later on, Ampere's swimming rule came for the getting direction of magnetic field related to electric direction of electric current. Today's topic is magnetic field due to straight current carrying straight conductor. In this topic we will prove that experimentally that if a current is passed through a straight conductor, magnetic field is produced around it. We can see the direction also, and we will find how to find the direction. Okay, then you can see in this diagram he has taken a thick straight conductor XY and passed it through the center O of a thick cardboard. The two ends are connected by battery, key, rheostat. Rheostat is always taken to control the current. Okay, ammeter also is there. So that current flows from Y to X and the second part X to Y. He said that when we sprinkle some iron fling on it, when you sprinkle iron fling and current is passed, then you will find that these iron flings are getting concentrated in a particular fashion. They are getting concentrated in a circular type. This proves that the electric current produces magnetic field, and due to magnetic field, each iron flings are behaving as tiny magnets and are aligned in the direction of magnetic field. You can see in the second diagram, the magnetic field is closed circular loops concentric to the wire. Only difference is that direction of this circular path. Okay, when the current is from Y to X, you can see the direction of circular path is anti-clockwise, and when the current is reversed, the direction is clockwise. What this represents? Think actually what happens? When current is passed through the conductor, through the straight wire, there exists a magnetic field around the straight current conductor, and it is in the form of concentric circular field lines with the conductor at the center. In order to know the direction of magnetic field, we plot a field lines with the help of compass needle. The north pole of the compass needle shows the direction of magnetic field, as you can see in this one. Okay, this direction of magnetic field can be found by using a right hand thumb rule. In this diagram you can see the conductor is holding the person is holding the conductor in a right hand such that the thumb is in the direction of current. Then this twist of the finger, curl of the finger, gives direction of magnetic field. Very clearly he has shown it to you. The twist is anti-clockwise. See, the twist is anti-clockwise like this. Then that is direction of magnetic field. If you reverse the direction, these arrows will be reversed only. Okay. The magnitude of magnetic field produced depends on two factors. Number one, strength of current passing through the conductor, that is B proportional to I. And the second is the magnetic field is inversely proportional to distance from the conductor. That is, if you want to find magnetic field at this point, at this point, at this point, at this point, farther is the distance, is smaller or weaker is the magnetic field. Okay, the unit of magnetic field is one more important thing is there. where current is measured in ampere, distance in meter, then magnetic field is expressed in the unit called Tesla, represented as capital T. This is to give the honor to the Nikola Tesla. The magnetic field is fairly big unit. This Tesla magnetic field is big unit, and it can be judged from the fact that the magnetic field of Earth is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Tesla. It means the bigger system like Earth has very small magnetic field. Therefore, a working unit has been devised, and that is called Gauss. The Gauss, capital represented as capital G, is a CGS unit of magnetic field, such that 1 Tesla equal to 10 raised to power 4 Gauss. In this case, the value of B near the Earth surface is approximately 0.3 Gauss. Okay, hope you would have understood. Thank you very much.